How can only you watch your liked videos on TikTok? Or how can no one watch your liked videos on TikTok? Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, then open it. And then when your TikTok account is open, you will just go down to profile, open your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen. Then on this three line, go to settings and privacy. Then go to privacy, and then you will just go down to following list or liked videos, sorry, and then change it from everyone to only me, like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next videos.